guys welcome and hope you are watching the video today. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Travel deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description box. If you are upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.